Hello, wonderful viewers. Welcome to another episode of RINIKE Show. I am Akosia Mr. Sewa. In today's episode, we are going to discuss 7 things girls or women love about men. 7 things girls or women love about men. Okay? Before then, please subscribe to my channel for more videos. I am live on Ashtown TV YouTube channel and our Facebook page, GH Ashtown TV. Let's go through our topic. Number 1, faithful and honest men. Ladies love the men who are faithful, who let their yes be yes and their no is no. It doesn't matter the consequences, they tell the truth. They love men who doesn't hop from one lady to the other. They love men who stick only to them. Men who doesn't lie, faithful. No matter what, they won't leave their partner. These are the men that ladies love. Number 2, men with good appearance. Women love to show off their men, so they feel proud when their men appear neat and clean. They feel good when their men comes out with good appearance. They are able to introduce to whoever that they feel like introducing without any fears, because you are looking good, splendid. Even if you have one shirt and it's always neat, ladies love you like that. Number 3, responsible men. Girls or ladies or women love men who are responsible, men who can take care of them when necessary. Men who can meet their needs, not necessarily men who are rich. But when we talk of responsible, one can be rich, but he might not be responsible. And one will also not be rich, but he will be responsible. He live up to expectations. Number 4, men with good humor. After a stressful day, every lady would love to come home to a man who is going to make her laugh the stress off, who is going to make her feel good, who is going to fill her life with laughter, not a man who is going to make her sorrowful and then depressed. Women love men who have good humor. Number 5, accommodating men. Women love their men to be accommodating, to be able to welcome their friends and their relatives. Not men who frowns when you introduce your friend to him. Not men who makes you feel bad in front of your friends or relatives. No, women love men who accommodate their friends and relatives, give them a smile and a helping hand wherever necessary. Number 6, supportive men. Women love men who can support them. Love or relationship have got its ups and downs. And as a human, no matter what you do, a time is going to come that you must need the support of your partner. Not necessarily monetary support, but it can be what? Words of encouragement. It can be giving you a hand when necessary. Women love men who give them support when necessary. Number 7, men who give sexual satisfaction. Not a man who only thinks about himself. Anytime it's time for sex, it's only about his happiness, not the ladies. Whether you get hurt or you get a tear, he doesn't care. No, women love men who take their time and then give them the sexual satisfaction or the sexual pleasure that they need. It makes women love you more if you're a man who can do that for your woman or your lady. So these are the 7 things ladies or women love about their men. I am Akosia Mr. Sewa. I am live on YouTube channel Ashtown TV and our Facebook page GH Ashtown TV. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Good night.